Courses. How do I find my courses? In Brightspace, we refer to subjects as courses. Courses search button. The course search button is located on the minibar on the top of your page. Since the minibar is available on all pages of Brightspace, this can be used to quickly navigate from one course to the other without having to return to the home page. My Courses widget. The My Courses widget will allow quick access to courses. Only pinned courses will appear on the home page. To view unpinned courses, click View All Courses located on the bottom of the widget.